Did you know that, before World War II, many cities in Poland were predominantly Jewish? Vilnius, for example, had a Jewish population of around 80%, and so many smaller towns were also rich with Jewish culture and life. These lost eastern lands of Poland were vibrant places where diverse communities Jewish, Polish, Armenian, Ukrainian, Lithuanian, and more lived side by side, sharing stories, traditions, and recipes. Food is Love is more than a cookbook. It's an invitation back to the hearth, to the lost eastern lands of Poland, where cultures once came together in rich harmony. In these lands, now almost forgotten, Jewish, Polish, Armenian, Ukrainian, Lithuanian, and many other communities mingled, sharing traditions, beliefs, and meals like the flavors of a beloved stew, each adding its own unique essence. Each recipe in Food is Love carries the warmth of family kitchens, the taste of traditions passed down for generations, memories that survived through storytelling, shared meals, and the hands of those who kept them alive. Every dish in this book is a memory brought back from the depths of history, a flavor that speaks to us of the past, a story told through the universal language of taste. The lost eastern lands of Poland were torn away after World War II, separating generations from the heart of their heritage, yet they live on in these pages. To cook from this book is an act of love and remembrance, a way to bind the past to the present, to bring family history to life through the senses, and to honor those who lived, laughed, and loved in those eastern lands. Each dish is more than a meal. It is a tribute to the resilience of those who came before us, to the lives they led and the warmth they shared, preserved here like cherished letters, passed down to remind us of a world nearly lost to time. Food is Love is not just a collection of recipes, it is a tribute, a journey through flavors and emotions that connect us to a shared heritage, woven from the threads of history, memory, and tradition. To cook from these pages is to feel the heartbeat of a place, to let the silence fill with stories once told over kitchen tables, to nourish both body and soul with a connection that transcends time. These recipes, passed down like family heirlooms, speak to us of a legacy that remains alive, reminding us that some things like love and the taste of home are eternal, waiting to be rediscovered and cherished. So, take a seat at this table of memory and tradition. Discover the flavors of the lost eastern lands of Poland, and let each dish bring you closer to a world of family, heritage, and love. Poland of old was a rich and powerful multi-ethnic and multicultural country like America today. Visit to discover the history that was omitted from your school textbooks, and marvel at the wonders of the old empire that ruled Europe for centuries.